Hi all, today let's see an unboxing and installation video for VentMed BiPAP ST30. The model is DS8. This device comes with inbuilt humidifier and a full face mask. So now let's begin with the unboxing. So firstly you see there is a carrying case for the device, after which you have the main device and all of the accessories in the carrying case. Here we have the main device with the humidifier. Next we have the hose pipe. We have a full face mask which is of medium size. There is power cord and power adapter. There is a small container to use it for filling the water in the humidifier. We have an oxygen adapter here and few extra filters. Also there is user manual for the device. So here it is, the unboxing of VentMed DS8 with all of the accessories. So now let's see the installation for VentMed ST30 BiPAP. As you see, the device is coming with an inbuilt humidifier. Now to use the humidifier, there is an unlock button here. Press. The outer cover is open where you have the humidifier tub. You can pour the water from here and the level is marked here, minimum and maximum. Do not pour water more than the maximum level. Then put back the humidifier tub and press. Now this way you can use the humidifier with the device. When you're using the device, the hose pipe has to be connected here. This is the only option. And here there is filters for the device which has to be cleaned and checked regularly and tapped for dust. Now here we connect the power supply cord to the device. Now let's on the machine and see. Now once you're on the machine, this is the display that you see with the three options, which is my options, sleep report and about. Let's go through each of the options and see what is in the settings, clinical settings. Now first going to my options, this is the enter button and these two are the arrow buttons which you can scroll up or down, and this is the power on off button. So first going to my options, click enter. Here you see the work mode is already set to APVC. If you need to change the work mode, select and press, long press. You can change the work mode of the device by pressing the enter button. Here you can see the work mode can be changed. This device has a work mode which is S, T, ST, Auto, CPAP and APCV. So we can select the working mode, enter, and here you can do the IPAP EPAP settings. If you need to change the settings, enter, scroll up or down, enter. So these parameters can be changed as per doctor's suggestion, especially the IPAP and EPAP settings. So once the settings are done, we can go back to the previous menu. Go to home, and here in the third option you can see the sleep report which shows you compliance per week and compliance every month. And this is about the device. Once we've come back to the main menu, we can also do settings for ramp time and humidity levels here by increasing. It goes up to 5 points. And also the ramp time setting can be done here. Work mode, as I said, can always be changed if you want to change the settings. Auto on, auto off and time settings can be done here. So now this center button, on button, the pressure gets started when you press the button and press again to off. So guys, this is all in the unboxing and installation video for Ventmed BiPAP ST30. The model is DS8. Comes with a humidifier and a full face mask.